Hey there, IDK Fred here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of 50 drill bits, titanium tipped something, titanium coated high-speed drill bits, and there's 50 of them in here. Here we go. Okay, these are a little bit small drill bits, I think. Oh, sticking to me. Okay, and I think that is all of them. Package is empty. Okay, these are some nice tiny drill bits. And we're going to try each size of drill bit on each one of these different items. So we have a piece of metal right here, a regular 2x4 right here, just a little slice of one, and then just some thin little piece of wood right here, and we're going to try it on each. So, starting with our biggest ones, which appear to be... No. Our biggest ones appear to be these guys right here. Next ones in the lineup are those. Then these guys right here. Then those little guys. And then that. So let's start with these guys right here. I just need one of them. Any one. I think the package is open one way here. Yeah, who knows, we'll just push one out. Okay, got a drill bit. Okay, and let's start with what I think will be the easiest item, and that being this thin little piece of wood. And here we go, we're just gonna drill right through it. Think we made it through? Yep, we're through just cleanly, no problem on that. Now let's try it on our 2x4. I think we made it through the 2x4. Yep. And now let's try it on a piece of metal. Because why not? I don't know what this is. I think it's aluminum or something. I really don't know. Let's try. Punched a hole. The tip doesn't look too bad on the drill bit here. There is a little bit of wear on it. It is a little bit hot. But it made a fairly clean hole. Okay, now on to the next size. So that was the largest drill bit. Run her up. A little bit smaller. Okay, and let's go the same order. We're gonna go through this guy first. Think we cleared it without a problem. Barely touched the 2x4. Now let's go to the 2x4 here. Made it through the 2x4. No problem, the bit still looks okay. And now, just because I'm gonna sink the bit just a little bit deeper into the drill here, because we were barely on the edge of it. And we really don't need all that much, so we're just going to go with that much out. And we're going to try to go through this again. Wow. I think we ate more of the drill bit than we did of this sucker. But we finally made it through. I'm starting to think this might not just be regular aluminum. Feels a little bit heavier, but I don't know. Okay, let's move down a size here. To these guys. Well, I guarantee we aren't making it through the 2x4, but we'll make it into it. Okay. Should still have enough length to make it through this sucker. Here we go. No problem on that one. Let's try the 2x4. We have enough length to go about 4/5 of the way through this. No problem going into the 2x4. Let's see how it handles the metal. No problem on the metal with the smaller bit. Okay, this one bigger than those guys. We are down to the last two right here. So we got these small ones, and then we got some really tiny suckers. These are almost like vacuum packed with how they're sealed into here. Whatever, we're just gonna rip the packaging and get one out. Ta-da! Okay, there's the second to last bit here. I think we got enough to go through the first layer of this guy. Wow, the bit is kind of bendy. Ta-da, cleanly through that. Let's try the 2x4. Just fine on the 2x4. Let's try a piece of metal here. And we made it through the metal. And the bit really doesn't look too half bad still. Does bend a little bit. It is kind of thin. But let's go one more level down. And now we are getting to the tiny suckers here. I'm really not sure. This is like just barely bigger than a needle. Barely. My drill bit, my drill right here isn't even small enough in the front end to accept this drill bit here. So I think I will just take part of the packaging it came in. I've done this with plastic. This is more paper. We'll see how it does. I take the paper, kind of wrap it around the end here. And kind of hope we can get it into the grip. Hello? Hi.
That is tiny.
This is a tiny drill bit.
It's so tiny, I can barely see it.
I know.
What the heck is that?
I can't even get the drill bit to go in here. Straight.
You recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
You didn't see this bag.
What is it? I need something else to wrap around this.
What on earth? That's teeny. This one. Do you want that other one, Austin?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, we got your food.
I just need a piece of plastic.
Depending on how hungry I am after this.
So how in the world does this thing even work?
It's pretty good, actually.
I don't. Does it just?
It fires those. You put it in the front. Don't lose it.
Does it go all the way in or just part?
Just part way.
Just like that?
Yeah. You gotta cock it.
Oh, there's the cock thing.
There's the cock thing.
There it is.
No, the wrong way.
Oh, that's bad.
Wait, no way. Okay. Pause. Whatever you're saying. 1 second. I just gotta finish this. No! Not bad.
That's not that bad.
Okay. To get the little tiny, like, needle-sized one to fit, I put a little piece of plastic just around the edge, and it's in there. Now we're gonna see how well it does, and if I break this one, I'm just gonna call it good. But here we go. Trying to go through the small one here. Well,
It's gone.
that worked wonderful. The bit just kind of went back into the drill.
Oh, I thought it got stuck in the wood.
Yeah.
I was like, well, that's gone.
I thought it snapped off.
Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna try to put the plastic differently.
Can't cook it. I'm hungry and I don't have a microwave. I don't want to. I'm lazy. I've got a lot of excuses. I am fat.
Okay, no guarantees. I did it again. We will see if we can screw it into the wood now.
No.
Nope.
Wow. Okay, well, fun little drill bit set, or a little bit, I don't know, smaller than I expected. Ordering off a Wish. Can't really use that one unless you get like some specialized, no, actually it'd probably work with a Dremel. Probably wouldn't be half bad with a Dremel with that little guy. The rest of these would be okay for a drill. But yeah, interesting little drill bits. Not half bad, all of them went through the metal except the tiny needle. Needle can do jack. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random stuff like this. And as always, I don't know. See ya!